Hi everybody, Nick Brownell with Total Mortgage, here again with Melissa Pyatak from Carey Richmond Viking, and we're just going to teach you a little bit about how to get insurance on your home. So Melissa, when I lend on a property and we get the policy from the insurance provider, a lot of times the underwriter has questions about the value of the home versus the cost of replacing the home.
Yes, yep.
What does that mean?
It's a really good question, and we come across this every single day. So when you are purchasing homeowners insurance, the insurance company essentially is making a promise to you that they are going to rebuild your home from the ground up, no matter what the actual cost. So we have to come up with a replacement value, and that's the actual amount that you have to insure the home for. And that can be very different from the purchase price, the appraisal amount, or the market value.
So if you're looking to purchase a home or get some insurance, reach out to myself or Melissa and we'll be glad to help.